The relationship between Hypercharge and Deveraux Development started back in February 2022, where we engaged by their development team to quote EV chargers at one of their new build development projects. Initially, Hypercharge offered hardware and software to Deveraux as a client, and through the success of that relationship, enabled us and gave us the opportunity to have a look at some retrofit developments of theirs. The problems that Hypercharge solves are design, network planning, and engineering. We assess the building's load, where it can support EV charging stations, and how many. The value Hypercharge provides to a customer like Deveraux is trust. We guide them through their EV charging journey as their requirements and as the industry grows. Hypercharge takes the approach in recommending the best solution or number of charging stations for each building's need. So using Deveraux as a use case, there were some buildings which required an EV charging station in every stall as there is a high number of EV drivers, and the best path forward was to actually have a dedicated circuit to every stall. Separate to that would be actually implementing circuit sharing or dynamic load balancing, where there's possibly only one charging station in a bank of parking stalls, which can be used at a floating stall where any EV driver can use that day one. Then as their EV charging needs and requirements or demand from tenants increase, again, we can add further stations to that circuit as their requirements increase and change. This ensured customers can focus on their core business and leave everything to do with EV charging in Hypercharge's hands. My suggestions to other apartment community builders looking to roll out EV charging deployments at scale would be to start with the experts, like Hypercharge, to take a consultative approach as to what their goals may be for any given project, where they're looking to start today with respect to EV charging, but also thinking about what their approach may be over the next year.